Hey everyone, welcome back. If you are new here, this is Caliburn, my DIY CoreXY 3D printer based on the VZBot by West 3D. Let's dive right in. Since the last video, I have clocked around 500 print hours on this machine, running ABS and PLA with near zero failures. ABS prints have been spot on, and I haven't seen any heat creep issues in the carriage or extruder parts. The ABS printed parts are holding up incredibly well, even inside the high temperature chamber. In the previous episodes, I installed aluminum foil tape inside the enclosure. This is a hack popular in the DIY enclosures. Many people use it to reflect the radiant heat and help stabilize chamber temperature. In my case, chamber temperature only rose a few degrees, though not as much as I had hoped, but it's still an improvement and worth the effort. I'm proud to say that the build is essentially 100% complete. The total BOM cost stands at about 45,000 rupees or $525, including the printed parts, keeping it firmly in the budget CoreXY category. Adding more upgrades will risk bloating the build cost and drifting away the original goal of a budget-friendly CoreXY printer. With over 500 print hours, the printer has become a workhorse. That's real-world validation of the all mods and design choices I have made throughout the series. And for anyone thinking of building a similar machine, I am open to collaborations. Whether it's custom mods, parts assistance, or building a turnkey version for your specific use case, you may reach out to me on Instagram. Over the past few months, working on my DIY CoreXY build has tested my skills as an engineer. I have spent late nights troubleshooting the microcontrollers, fine-tuning parameters, adjusting input shaping, and dealing with hardware failures in general. I have tackled everything from the extruder wobble to chamber temperature optimization, steadily refining both software and hardware. These challenges pushed me to learn deeply about system integration, resilience, and cost-effective performance. That's hands-on experience and isn't just technical. It shaped me how I approach future projects. I'm taking everything I have learned and using it to keep developing smarter and more capable manufacturing solutions. That's it for today. Massive thanks for whoever has followed along from the start. The budget CoreXY build has been an incredible ride. If you are enjoying the build, don't forget to hit the like and subscribe and support my channel by sharing these videos with your friends and family. I'll see you in the next one.